Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your AirPods to your Zoom meeting. If this helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So if you have a MacBook, all you have to do is go ahead and open up your settings and you're going to click on Bluetooth and you're going to select your AirPods. So right here, as you can see, it is showing me that my AirPods are connected and that they are 100% charged. If my AirPods were not connected, you would see the option to connect them right here at the bottom because it would show as nearby devices. And to connect them, what you have to do is to keep your AirPods inside of its small pocket. You have to put them in and open up the case, and that way you're going to be able to see your AirPods. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to Zoom. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Zoom and I'm going to start a new meeting. So right here, before you join a meeting, Zoom is going to show you how you're going to enter the meeting. So it's going to show you if your audio is going to be your microphone, like your regular computer microphone, or if you have external audio going on. So in this case, I'm going to select my AirPods. And then if you want to use your AirPods, simply go ahead and select yours. Now, once you select your AirPods, simply click on start. And that is it, you guys. It's very simple to connect your AirPods to a Zoom call. I hope this video helped, and don't forget to like and subscribe.